Hi everyone, I'm Terry and welcome to my channel. I'm so excited to show you this video today. I am creating a Chanel inspired ornament wreath. It's more stunning than I could have ever imagined. First part of the project will be creating the Chanel inspired ornaments. And these are the supplies that I will be using. You'll need some skinny striped ribbon, baby boa, some pearls, and I also have the skinny pearls too. I've got 3 of the ornaments that I picked, and then I have these stickers which I already cut out, but they're images that I got on the website, and then I printed it on my vinyl sticker sheet and cut them out. And I also have some bobby pins. That's just really to thread the ribbon into the ornament. Some charms that I have. And then I also have some of the mini roses. And then I also have the E6000 jewelry and bead glue. I also have tweezers and then my rhinestone applicator pen. Then I also have some additional rhinestones that I'll be using. I want to put it this way because the ribbon's going to go this way. I kind of I used a blow dryer on this and it worked really well. And being that doesn't have glitter, it actually stuck on.
It was the night before Christmas. I was closing down for business in my little present shop, when the bell on the door. Jingled once more, and then time almost came to a stop. But somehow I knew, and maybe so did you, that everything would change from now on. Yes, from this Christmas on, this Christmas on, from this Christmas on, it's gonna be you and me decorating the tree from this Christmas on. We forgot what you came for, and in the coffee shop just next door, we talked for hours on end. And somehow we knew that we'd found something true, and that everything would change from now on. Yes, from this Christmas on, this Christmas on, from this Christmas on, it's gonna be you and me decorating the tree from this Christmas on. From this Christmas on. From this Christmas on, it's gonna be you and me decorating the tree from this Christmas on, from this Christmas on.
So what I'm doing is I'm gluing these crystals, since my camera cut off, I don't know why, and I'm just hot gluing them kind of like polka dots.
Feeling alone, kinda misty, waiting now for you to come. It's cold again, but I know we'll be warm, sitting by the fire.
I'm going to put an authentic Chanel ribbon in it.
Tell me
That would be a nice touch.
with a whisper, little things that I wanna hear, and the stars up above are smiling when they see you holding me so near. I see snowflakes on the chimneys, and the candles have a certain glow, a secret and a song, even church bells sing along, and the children make.
For the next part of my project, we're going to do the ornament wreath. Now, this part we're going to need this is a 12-inch foam ring. I do have roses. I'm not sure I'm going to use them, but if I need to fill it, I might put those in. So being that it's a Chanel inspired wreath, might want to put some pearls and roses, so I do have some pearls also. I have some additional pearl picks. I've got the very mini ball ornaments, both in black and white. I also have these ornaments. I got these from Michael's. I have some tinsel that I'm going to use to fill in the gaps. And then I also have these ornaments that I got from Walmart.
Tell me again with a whisper, little things that I wanna hear. And the stars up above, they are shining with love. Listening to this song playing on. Listening to this song playing on.
It's all around us. Christmas has found us. Yet another year. We are the fortunate ones, all us daughters and sons. Everyone's still here, and that's something to be grateful about. Let's be grateful we're still here. Yeah, we're still here for another Merry Christmas. And we're still here with our family.
Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please give me a thumbs up if you liked the video, and don't forget to subscribe to see future videos. And until next time, bye-bye.